Hello, this is Diana. Today I'm talking about the layout of Moodle MOOC 15. So our task is to create a video tutorial showing what we see on the Moodle MOOC 15. So here we go. What do I see? First of all, I see the title, Moodle MOOC 15. And I see 3 columns. So all the information is organized in 3 sections. So the middle section is the tabs showing the parts of the syllabus. You can hover your mouse over each of those tabs, and you can, when you click on them, okay, you are getting to this section. You can read the information, you can follow the links, and so on. Well, if you want to get back to the previous section, you can use this arrow, yeah? And if you want to move forward, use the right arrow. So when you are getting to the next section, to the next part of the syllabus. So, okay. What can I see on the left? So here are the several blocks. I can see several blocks. The top one is table of contents, and actually it repeats those tabs in the middle. So it is neatly organized here, so I like it. So you can just move from top to the bottom. You see the outline of the course, so it's easy and nice. Okay, next, the information about your level. So you are getting points here, and the star shows what level you are at this moment. Okay, you can see people, online users. Okay, some more information. For example, if you don't want to have all those blocks here, or you just want to have the titles of those blocks just to tidy the space, so to say, you can click on these little buttons, hide, and the content of this block will be hidden. So I'm gonna show you how to clean the space, to clear it up. Okay. You only have the titles of those blocks, and when you need it, you just click on the plus and you will have the information shown to you. If you want to just to take it away, for example, it's too much for you, yeah? I know that some beginner users, they tell that sometimes it is too much information on one on the screen. So then probably you can just dock the blocks. So there will be the little tabs on the left. If you dock them over there, it will look like this. And you'll have the wider middle space. I kind of like it, you know. When you hover your mouse over this tab, you see the content, and you actually can click on the content of this block, so you can work with it. Kind of neat. Okay, and you can see the level up, people, so everything. Well, I like that. So you can do the same thing with the blocks on the right. So you can leave the blocks which are important, like latest announcements, upcoming events, and you can hide the blocks which you don't need. Well, I like this completion progress. I can see how many tasks I need to complete. Okay, so you can do it like this. And you just have the clear space, so you can work with it. Okay, well, basically you should try it on. When you click yourself, when you read the information, you learn quicker, you learn better. So I think it is the best way to learn. Well, probably it's just the best way for me. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.